Okay, so okay, so we imported swiper from swiper react. Okay, so make sure when you're importing swiper, you import it from swiper react, not from swiper. And because you can use swiper with not just react, you can use it with Vue, Angular, and other JavaScript projects, JavaScript libraries. So make sure you import it from swiper react, unless it won't work. And then inside our swiper, uh, okay, then inside our swiper, we have to enter some uh, parameters, right? So let's do that from their official documentation. Okay, let's come to swiper, and inside the resources we can click on demos. Okay, let's give it some time to load. As you can see, we can create some effects with swiper. I actually did this in one of my projects. This what is this? This type of slider. Okay, it's taking too much time to load. Okay, let's while it loads, let's go back and do the rest of the work. So inside our swiper, we have to add our swiper slides, right? So let's say products dot let's check again if there is any products dot length is greater than 0 or not equal to 0, whatever you like. And then we want to map it, right? Products dot map, and let's say product. And inside that we want to import our SwiperSlide, so from React. Okay, so we have to give it a key. So I think we have a underscore ID with each of the products. So we can say product dot underscore ID. So okay, so then what we can do is we can render our products. Okay, this thing is still loading for some reason. Okay. So if we go to our design again, we have to add pagination, right? Sorry, navigation. And so to start navigation, let's go to navigation and let's click on React. It will open a sandbox. Okay. So to add navigation, we have to import the navigation modules, because navigation is a different module. It is stored in a different module. So what we can do is we can import it here from swiper modules. You just have to simply follow that documentation. You do not have to remember any of this or memorize any of this. So it doesn't matter how often you use it. If you do not have to remember it, you can just go to the documentation and use it. We have to import the swiper CSS and swiper navigation. Let's do that too. And then what we have to do is we have to add this prop to our swiper component. So let's go here and let's say navigation true. And we have to also have to add this module navigation and the my swiper class name. Okay. Okay. So inside each product, let's render something first, so we can watch our UI and go from there. So each product has a name, right? So let's just render the name first. let's say product dot name. All right, so let's go back. Okay, we have something here. Okay, okay, that is okay. It is ugly for now, but at least we got something. So after that, what we can say here is we can actually define how many slides we want per window. So what we can do is uh, what is the props? Yeah, slides per view. Yeah, slides per view. And how many slides we have initially? We have 5. Okay, so let's say 5, and we also want to put some gaps between them. So let's say 20, 20. Okay, a space between. So all of these props are actually in the documentation. I used a swiper. I used swiper multiple times, so I remember this. You do not have to remember this. Memorize this. You just have to follow the documentation. Okay, so now let's go back and see what's happening. Okay, it is not still not working. Did we give it the class name? Yes, we did. Okay, let's actually add some classes to our featured product class. I think it needs a with property. So in our featured product, all right, all right, all right. Okay, let's just create some cards. Let's say for home page, we want to create a product card dot jsx raf ce. Okay. So let's create a product card for each of our products. First, we'll handle the swiper problems later. Let's just render the cards first. So we want to import that product card, and we want to pass the product as a props. Each product we are getting. So let's say product and give it as a prop product. Okay. So we have to receive it here also. Product. Okay. So let's console the product from here. Okay, so you see how convenient Console Ninja is. Okay, then let's go back to our design again. So first of all, we have the picture, right? The actual picture of the product. Okay. So first of all, let's give it a name, call it product card, and inside that, I want to keep this image inside a link tag, because when the user clicks on the image, it should go to the product page, right? When I click on the image, so I want to keep it inside a link tag, a links.js or React link tag. So let's say link, which should come from next link. And inside the link tag, for example, let's just redirect it to our home page. For now, we're going to add the routing later, and inside that I want to render our image, right? So let's take a element, and then inside that I can say next image. Okay. Okay, we do not need the closing tag. I can just use this one. Okay, it needs a source. I can say product. Where is the image coming from? Product dot thumbnail. Okay. Product dot thumbnail. Then it also requires a height and width property. Let's say the height to 200 and the width to 200, and the height should be bigger, like 50, and say alt tag. For alt tag, let's use a template string product and just give the name of the product. Okay. Is everything ready? Yeah. Now let's go back. Okay, so now it's working. Our swiper is also working. Now we have to continue from here. Okay.